Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Declarative reactive web components with Justin Fagnani. Justin Fagnani is a prominent figure in the web development community, particularly known for his work with web components and the Lit framework. His approach to web components emphasizes declarative programming and reactive patterns, which help create dynamic and maintainable user interfaces. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of declarative reactive web components using the Lit framework, which simplifies the creation of web components with template literals and reactive properties. Prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have a basic understanding of HTML/CSS, JavaScript, ES6+, web components, custom elements, shadow DOM. What are web components? Web components are a set of web platform APIs that allow you to create custom, reusable HTML tags that encapsulate functionality and styling. They consist of three main specifications. 1. Custom elements, define new HTML elements. 2. Shadow DOM, encapsulate styles and markup. 3. HTML templates, define HTML snippets that can be cloned and rendered. Setting up your environment. To get started, create a simple HTML file and include the Lit library. You can use a CDN for this. Creating a reactive web component. Let's create a simple counter component that demonstrates declarative syntax and reactivity. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing Lit. We import the necessary classes from the Lit library, Litelement, HTML, CSS. 2. Creating the component class. We create a class myElement that extends Litelement. We define a static properties object to declare the count property, which will be reactive. 3. Constructor. The constructor initializes count to 0. 4. Styles. The static styles property contains CSS styles that are scoped to the component via shadow DOM. 5. Render method. The render method returns a template using the HTML tag template literal. The count is displayed, and we have two buttons for incrementing and decrementing the count. 6. Event handling. We define methods increment and decrement that modify the count property when buttons are clicked. 7. Defining the custom element. Finally, we register the custom element using customelements.define. Using the component. You can include the myElement/myElement tag in your HTML, and it will display the counter with increment and decrement buttons. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored how to create a simple declarative reactive web component using the Lit framework. This approach allows developers to create interactive user interfaces while maintaining clarity and reactivity in their code. For more advanced features, consider exploring Lit's capabilities such as slots, directives, and more complex state management. Happy coding!